Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to this lesson on states of the sister. What I've done is I've actually written out the various states because it will save a bit of time. And so what we'll do is we'll go through the various states and just clear up uh, what exactly the sister gets and when. It's actually, I've put states of the sister, it should actually be the full sister here, um, because as we know there's a maternal sister who has a different shares, and there's also paternal sister who's also different. So it's the full sister we're talking about. Okay, so the first state is when there's one sister alone, this one. And in this case, it will be familiar to you if you've gone through the granddaughter and the daughters. When there's one female beneficiary alone, other than mother and grandmother, the usual state is a half. So again, if there's one sister alone, then she'll get a half. And likewise, two or more sisters, two or more full sisters. So this is always full sisters. If there's two or more full sisters, then they'll get 2/3. Um, and the next share is when there are daughters or granddaughters. So if the full sisters inherit with either one daughter or more, or a granddaughter, or a combination of daughters and granddaughters, then the sister will get the remainder. And this is quite an unusual case, where a female is also a residual beneficiary. It's the only case, along with the paternal sister, where this happens. Usually it's the males who are the residuary beneficiaries, but in this case, which is unique, is based on the hadith of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, where a Sahabi came to him and said, there's only a daughter and a granddaughter, and a sister, and the Prophet also said that the sister should get the remainder. So if we draw that out down here, what we have is we have the deceased passed away. He has, say, a daughter and a full sister. The daughter gets her half, as we know. When there's one daughter alone, she gets a half, and the remainder asaba goes to the full sister. So the masla is made from two, and the daughter gets one, and the full sister gets one. And similarly, if we did it with, let's say there was a daughter, a granddaughter, and a sister, then the daughter would get a half, the granddaughter would get a sixth, and the sister would get asaba. So again, this masala is made from 6. She gets 3, she gets 1, and that leaves 2 for the sister. So going back to our table again. So to reiterate, when there's one sister alone, she gets a half. Two or more, they get two. They share 2/3. And when anytime there's only daughters and or granddaughters, then the sister will get the remainder. Then the fourth state is when there's full brothers, who inherit as the asaba. So if there's no, in this case there will be no sons, grandsons, father or grandfather, and so the full brothers would inherit. And when that happens, the brothers convert the sister into a residual beneficiary, from the asabat basically. And that rule again is 2 to 1. So full brothers will get 2 shares each, and full sisters will get 1 share each. And that's the rule where males and females of the same rank share in the 2-to-1 ratio. And then the final state is where the sister is deprived, and she's deprived anytime there are sons, grandsons, by grandsons we mean sons, however low down, and father, grandfather, and we've gone through that before. So anytime there's ascendants or descendants, male ascendants or descendants, the sister will be deprived and she won't receive any share. So these are the 5 states for the sister, and you should just go over these and learn them. And what we'll do in a couple of lessons time is practice all the various states. So the only beneficiary now left is the paternal sister, who's very similar to the full sister, but she has a couple of other states, because she's lower in the rank compared to the full sister. So once we've completed that, we'll go through and practice how to actually make a masala and how to solve it.